This message is about the one who can save your soul. Set me free and wash me clean.
Feeling blessed. Who woke up feeling blessed today?
Devil, I know that you're smart, but I'm not being stupid. Look at the word and I do it. Put on that truth and I stick with the Father. This for your uncle, your sister, your papa. Cut off my old saying for this new life. So I told him, go pick up the chopper. Say what I said, chasing the bread. You selling your soldiers for $200. Cut off that shit, I said, go get the chopper. Know I'm a win, I could do this for hours. I got that truth, I got heavenly power. Yeah, yeah. Saying I ain't phased, can't control me. God's love, made me clean. That's so cold. Why would I stress about that? 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 Why would I stress about that?
For my brother right here, real quick. Come on, the winner. Limo competition. Jesus.
Looking for my mentor. I gotta keep it simple. I had to get my life. I was all out of title. My soul was so divided. Yeah, divided. Yeah, step outside. I ain't got nothing to feel. Put away the pride. I can't let it interfere. Stepping on the side. Yeah, I let God take the. I let God take the. Yeah, I let God take the. Yeah, I let God take the.
Step outside, I ain't got nothing to fear. Put away the pride, I can't let it interfere. Stepping on the side if you wanna keep it real. Put it in drive and let God take the wheel.